In this video, I will show you how to edit a Beehiiv landing page. This is a very simple and straightforward process, so let's get started. First of all, I want to say, if you want to get 20% off of your first 3 months and a 30-day free trial, make sure to check out the link in the description down below to get the discount. Alright, let's get back to our dashboard by going to app.beehiiv.com and then open up the sidebar if you haven't already, and then go to design. Tap on this arrow and here you see website builder and newsletter builder. Then we need to tap on website builder and this will redirect us to the editor where we can edit a lot of things such as logo and identity. Actually, we need to change that in the publication settings, so you can upload them over here and over here. Then we can go back, design, and website builder. Then we can change the global colors. So basically these are your brand colors. You can change them to whatever you want, as well as the text color, etc, etc. You can really be creative with this. And then we can go to typography. We can change every heading, body, etc. Radius and shadow. Very like a more thicker radius. Larger shadow, etc, etc. Global navigation, you can change that. You can also change or select different templates if you want to. Just like that. You can change the subscribe widget to another template, just like this. Post styles. Just like this. You can really be creative with this. You can basically change anything. On Beehiiv you cannot add your own custom text or something like that, but yeah, you can change the footer, of course. For example, you can change the social media links, as you can see. You can change the colors over here, etc. And then of course tap on publish styles. You can also preview this on mobile or just on full screen. So that is basically it. That is how you can change the landing page. It is very easy, very straightforward. And if you want to get 20% off, like I said, make sure to check out the link in the description down below. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.